Local train. 5341. And 5416. Rolling by Amtrak there. Wow, everybody, if all of you enjoyed this train video here, can you give this video a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring other train people here to my channel and check me out. Also, if you're new, can you hit that red subscribe button down below? And subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you will be notified about it. Also, if you could do me a favor, leave comments. I'd like to hear from you what you thought about this train video. But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one. And take care. And thanks for watching.